Guys, it's Karen and I've got another little haul for you. Hair care and makeup is all that's in this one. So let me just get started. I went to Aldi because somebody left a comment that herbal essences are not cruelty free. I did a quick Google and it came up that they weren't cruelty free, and I was like, how did I ever think they were cruelty free then? So I decided to go to Aldi and see if they did the Lacura shampoo that is a dupe for herbal essences, because Lacura are cruelty free. They didn't, but what they do have is this. It says men's and it's an anti-dandruff shampoo, and this is supposed to be a dupe for Head and Shoulders. Head and Shoulders are not cruelty free, but again, this is Lacura. Won't help if I can never open it, will it? It doesn't really smell like the Head and Shoulders. It does look like it though, and I haven't tried this yet, so normally I'm able to tell you what I think, but I haven't tried this yet and I will do soon. But the second thing I bought from there is this, and this I have tried before. This is the Moisture Lock Conditioner, again by Lacura, and I love this. This is really good. This is a dupe for the Tresemme Moisture Rich Conditioner. That has been a holy grail of mine for some time, so really enjoy this, and it's a lot cheaper and this is cruelty free, so win-win. I don't think I showed you these two. These are from Umberto Giannini. This is called Wonderlift Thicker Fuller Plumping Spray. Gotta say, it doesn't seem to be doing much. I tried it in my hair this morning. I might be able to do it with, get thicker, fuller hair if you like, with this, you know, by teasing it a bit. I'm not very good at that, as you can see. But yeah, like I said, I sprayed some of this in this morning and it just doesn't seem to do anything for me. I don't know whether I dare do anything on this side because this side is not behaving this morning. But so far, I don't feel like this is very good. And the same with the second one, unfortunately. This is the Umberto Giannini Curls in a Bottle Catwalk Curls Styling Spray. So this is one, you know how I'm looking for something to spray on my dry hair before I curl it. So I curled my hair this morning. Even with me doing this video, it has dropped a lot. I mean, it was like mad curls when I started, and yeah, I've used this twice now and it doesn't seem to be doing, it doesn't do anything extra. It doesn't hold them in any longer. Then I bought the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation, and I just wanted to ask you guys if you want a review on this, because there's been quite a few reviews already and I don't know if I would add anything to that, but let me know if you do and I will do that. Likewise, the Smashbox. I probably will do this because one of you at least has asked me to do it and there seems to be a lot of buzz around it. It's the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage Foundation. I haven't tried that yet. I haven't tried either of these yet because I've been using the Kat Von D one that I did a review for. And then I got 3 other Kat Von D items with that foundation. There was an offer on that day. I think I got these 2 free actually, and I bought this in a deluxe sample size. I think it was £9 because you were supposed to get it but they didn't have any left, so they gave me a concealer instead. It is called Go Big or Go Home. I'm assuming that's what it's called because it says that on the packet. Maybe not. But this is what the brush is like. It's a huge brush. So not really my cup of tea brush wise. It does make your lashes look bigger. It really catches every single lash. And so I was surprised at that, and I do quite like it actually. It didn't smudge, it did last very, very well, and it was easy to remove. It did crumble a little bit for me. There was definitely little black flecks under my eyes and also above my eyes, which was a bit annoying because there's definitely other mascaras out there that don't cost as much, that don't crumble like that. It wasn't huge and it was at the end of a day, but still, so I will probably use it up, but I don't think it's a repurchase. This tattoo liner is kind of well known, isn't it? This is just a little mini tattoo liner, and I was excited because I was like, oh, let me try it again, because way back when it was super popular, I didn't think it was amazing. I just thought it wasn't very intense black, and over eyeshadow I found it hard to get an intense line. The same thing is happening now. I used this morning over both eyes and I was like, no, I can barely see it, and I had to go over it with my NYX liquid liner. So I think they go on well, because actually I used it yesterday on bare eyelids and it was fine. I think it goes on well if you're not putting it over a eyeshadow. Maybe it's just the sort of shimmery eyeshadows as opposed to matte eyeshadows, but it's not for me. And then I've got a little Lock-It tattoo. No, not tattoo. Lock-It concealer cream. They didn't have a colour that would suit me, if you like. These are their little sort of free samples. So she gave me this one, which you can see is way too dark for me. But I can feel from this that it's too thick for me to ever use under my eyes. But I think this would be a good one for concealing spots or something like that, or concealing redness in other areas of your face, but it's not one that I'd use under my eyes. So I don't think that's one that I'm interested in buying the full size in my colour. That's everything for today. So you will see a review of the Smashbox. Let me know if you do want a review of this, but it will be in a while because I'm going on holiday the Monday the 23rd of September. I'm on holiday for 2 weeks. And I've got that foundation to try, then this one, and some other videos to film as well. But let me know and I will definitely put it on my list and get it done for you. I'll put all my makeup, etc. in the description. Thanks so much for watching and I'll speak to you soon.